this video, we are doing an unboxing and review for the Fabulous Planner. Hello, I'm Katie, and welcome to the Planner channel. Subscribe to watch new planning videos every week. We are going to start off with an unboxing of the Fabulous Planner's subscription box, as well as a flip through of one of their planners. Then we're going to head over to the website to learn a little bit more about the company. Okay, let's see what came in the package. Oh, it's upside down. The future is female for a beautiful, bold, and organized life. The Fabulous Planner. So there's a coupon code when you purchase your planner. Here is some information about the monthly subscription box, luxury box, or classic box. We will check these out on the website after we look through everything. Create your dream life one plan at a time. The Fabulous Planner. The Fabulous Planner subscription box. All right, let's flip through the planner and then we will open up the subscription box and check that out. First of all, it's adorable. Look at this box. Look at this planner. And it's pink, and I love pink. It's so pretty. 2022 planner. It is a light pink soft linen hardcover, book bound, and I'll get the size in just a second. This one is an A5 size, which is 8.5 inches tall by 5.5 inches wide, and it's 120 GSM paper with colored pages. How cute is that? Okay, this is my year, your personal information. Motivation is what gets you started. Planning is what keeps you going. Our story from Flavia, the creator of the Fabulous Planner. The Fabulous Planner roadmap. Ooh, roadmap to success. Celebrate, vision board, get creative, mind map, choose goals, set priorities, clear strategy, finances, time, schedule, habits, positive thoughts, exercise, time to relax, find a mentor, monthly reflection, reward yourself, half-year reflection, end-of-year reflection, and gratitude. I love it. That sounds like my checklist too. All right, we have 2 pages of vision board here, life goals in all the different categories, yearly goals for your full year, monthly bills. So there's a expense tracker here, bill tracker, savings tracker too. That's really good. Your year at a glance, holidays page, which is one I always refer to, your January monthly, a super pretty ribbon bookmark. So there's space in here. Let's get up close and look at this. A space for goals and projects in your different categories. A space for what's on your mind, like a brain dump, ideas, gratitude, mind mapping, and your calendar. Then here's the weekly page with half-hour times from 6:30 a.m. to 10 o'clock p.m. A space for a goal each day, top priorities, grateful for, notes, ideas, to-do list, and your weekend over here. Those are your weekly spreads. Then after your weeklies, you have a month review page and a space for journaling. Then you go into your next monthly. So that's how each month goes. And in the very back, let's see, there's some end of year space, end of year reflection, end of year reflection, end of year reflection, and some note pages in the back, and then a pocket in the very back. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at this. It has like a little shiny paper there. All right, so there's your Fabulous A5 planner. Let's check out the sub box. Okay, let's open the subscription box. The Fabulous box. This must have just come open in shipping because I did not open it yet. The Fabulous box, you can choose from 2 sizes, luxury or classic, and it comes with all kinds of goodies. Next box theme is Valentine's. All right, let's see what comes in here. Look how cute this pen is. You know how I like sparkles and glitter and rose gold. Yeah, okay. This is the winner for me. Oh my gosh, there's other cute stuff. Look at this pink heart charm. I love that with rose gold. Yes. All right, you guys, this is really cute. I love these sparkles. Love the pen. Is it a twist? How do I open it? Twist here, twist here. That's really cute. That's really cute. What else? Ooh, washi tape. Washi tape. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So days of the week with a blush. Let's see. Do you think I like this color? It matches my nails like perfectly. Blush background. Love that. Oh, are you kidding me? I literally have been shopping for these everywhere, online and in stores, and have not found, like, I was literally looking for cute push pins. How about that? I can't believe that. That is awesome. And these are little blush roses and cream roses and this color, which matches my shirt. How about that? I love those. Love the push pins. Oh my gosh. What else? Gel ink pens. 0.5, so these are thin. Let's check these out. We're going to need to write. We're going to have to do a pen test. Ooh, these are pretty pastels. What do you guys think? Pen test? I think yes. I'm going to do a pen test with all of those. Really pretty. Okay, put that aside. These look like stickers or die cuts or both. See the good. They are stickers. See the good, be good, do good. Good things take time. You're doing great. It's what she deserves. Love yourself first. All we see is sky forever. Where's my mind? I don't mind. Oh my gosh. Ooh, that's pretty. Look, like a ton of these little quote stickers. Those are adorable. What else? Page flags in pretty colors. Masking tape cutter. It's a washi tape cutter. That is awesome. We're gonna have to try that. And it's cute. What else? What else? Stickers. This is my year. I am powerful. Don't wait for opportunity. Create it. Let's open this. So these are white paper stickers. Cute girls doing their thing. Oh, I like that little note there. Look at this. Look at this sticker. It's like rose gold glitter sticker. Some other little icons. I like those pink shoes. Oh, look at that check. Look at those flag checklists. Those are really cute. Trackers, some words. Is this like a washi tape strip? It is. This is like a strip, the bottom one. And some box stickers here. Oh, these are like so you can write on them. 1, 2, 3, 4 pages of paper stickers. And oh, this is like a dashboard for your planner. So it has a laminated dashboard with your 2022 calendar. And since it's laminated, you can write on it. That is cool. And then what is this? Some pages. Ooh, it's a month of weekly really cute pages that fit the classic happy planner size. That is cool. All right, let's go do our pen test. Okay, let's use the vision board page to do our pen test. Let's start off with this sparkly pen. I guess we're going to write just some random things. The fabulous planner. This is a ballpoint pen in black. Okay, so cute. Now let's try out these pastel ones. Lavender. It's more of royal blue though. I really like how thin this is. I like those super fine points. What are we calling this color? Cream? What color do we think this is? I'm gonna call it coffee. Coffee with cream. Coral. Pink. All right, let's see up close. All right, I want to open this washi tape and try this too, and try out the washi tape cutter. Okay, the washi tape is open. Let's take this little guy out. Okay, I got the box open. It opens on the top. Okay, I'm sure there's a trick to it, and I'm gonna have to watch a video to learn how to do it. If you know how to use the washi tape trimmer, leave a comment and tell me how to do it. All right, I just want to open up these page flags. Ooh, they're not paper. They're like that super lightweight plastic. And that color matches that. Yeah, pretty. I just opened this up too. Really cute. All right, let's head over to the website and learn a little bit more about what options you have for the sub box. So we can head on over to the website and check it out. This is the Fabulous Planner. Let's go to the sub box first and learn about that. Most of the designs are handmade in their shop in LA, California. So you can read all the details in there. Here's all kind of different things that come in the subscription box. Here's how it works. You choose the classic box, which has 9 to 10 planner items for $24.99, or the luxury box, which is the one we just did an unboxing of. And when you choose the luxury box, you get 10 to 12 items. It's $30.99 plus shipping. But you also get to choose your planner size, and you'll get some inserts that fit in your planner as well. So they're small, medium, large, which is A5, 9-disc happy planner, 8-disc planner size, 7-disc, which is a mini happy planner size. And then this is all about the goodies that come in the box, some testimonials. Here's what's in some past boxes. Look how cute this one. Look how cute. Ooh, I need that. I need that. I need that washi tape. I need whatever those little pastel things are. These are really, really cute. They have a video so you can learn all about additional details. Ooh, is this one still available? Ooh, hold on. I want to see if I can get this. Look how cute. Oh, it's cute. They have lots of cute goodies in there. All right, so let's head over to shop the 2022 planner. This one, it comes in that really cute palm tree, or the Bel Air, which is the solid blush. This is the one we just did a flip through. It's an A5 size. We talked about this already. It comes with a keepsake box. Let's scroll down all the details. Ooh, look at all this other cute stuff they have. Oh my gosh. All right, where's the price? Did we talk about price? The 2022 weekly and monthly hourly planner lay flat bookbinding retails for $32. All right, so what else? Let's learn about the company. There's Flavia, all about her. She's from Brazil, and this is how she started the Fabulous Planner. All right, so here you have it, the Fabulous Planner, the only tool you need to accomplish anything you desire. So look at all these cute accessories. Some of them you can order separately. Ooh, this is all the cute stuff that comes in the box, and you can order it separately. That's awesome, because usually you can't get that stuff separately when there's something that you want. I love that they have it available separately. Here's the question I want you to answer for me in the comments. How do you like to shop for your planner supplies? Do you prefer a subscription box? Do you like to go to those stores, or do you like to pick and choose different things online and order them? Like, what's your favorite way to shop for your stickers for your planner? Leave your answer in the comments. As always, check out the description box for all the details about the products shown in this video today, along with a coupon code for you to shop 15% off your order. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!